Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn Subdomain bruteforcer information gathering tool in Linux. SubBrute is one of the most popular and accurate subdomain enumeration tools. It's a community-driven project and it uses OpenResolver as a proxy, so SubBrute doesn't send traffic to the subdomain's name servers. It's not an online tool and you need to install this on your computer. You can use on Windows or Unix-based OS, and installation is very easy. The following demonstration is based on Linux. Here I have written wget downloading and unzipping commands, copied it and download the latest SubBrute, paste it wget command. Here you can see that downloading is started here. Here you can see that 100% done. Let's unzip the raster.zip file. Type unzip space raster.zip. Here you can see that unzipping raster.zip file. Let's change the terminal directory to subbrute-master. Type cd subbrute-master. Type ls to view all files and directories. Here you can see that subbrute.py and run this Python tool. Type python space subbrute.py. Here you can see that basic usage of subroot domain scanner tool, subroot.py-p target underscore domain. Let's scan the subdomains for hacking2.com. Type python subroot.py space hacking2.com. Here you can see that subdomain is scanning. Underscores tcp.hacking2.com underscore autodiscover._tcp.hacking2.com and so on. Let's see the subdomain for google.com. Type python space subroot.py google.com. Here we can see that google.com subdomains. So that's it in this video on Subdomain bruteforcer. That is basically information gathering tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.